G'day YouTube viewer, g'day bikers. What's it like to live with a GB350 and Burgman 200 motorbike loving girl who constantly makes you laugh? I found out recently when we tried to enter a competition where she had to identify her favourite treat or sweet. We didn't end up submitting the video, so I've included a couple of shots of her on her bikes in this version, and I hope you enjoy this departure from my normal posts. But this is what happened when we tried to record the video together, and it's not too far away from what it's like to spend days in the company of Riding Hood. I'll put her details in the description below so you can check out her videos of learning to ride a motorcycle with gears. Wow, good movie, isn't it? Yeah. Actually, I got a nice treat for us tonight while we watch the movie.
You do?
Yeah, I do. I got it today. Ooh, what happened to this?
I don't know. I love Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate. It tastes so good. The nuts are so crunchy. Every little square's like a little slice of heaven. It's too good to share. And when I'm out, there's always more.
That wasn't in our plans.
Yum.
So I think you need to say like yum, it needs to come out, so we'll just do that again. Don't open it yet, we'll have it open in the last shot. Or have you already opened it? That's alright, doesn't matter.
Yum. Yum!
Huh?
Yum!
Then to link up, I think I press mine down, and then I press your down.
Whoa.
Oops, sorry.
Kidding.
Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Until next time, happy motorcycling.